Do you want to add fresh flavor to your cooking while also enjoying the satisfaction of raising your own plants? Welcome to a world where your kitchen garden fuels your culinary adventures. Today, we delve into the art and joy of growing herbs at home. A simple, rewarding endeavor that brings a new zest to your dishes, and perhaps a dash of healing or a splash of beauty to your living space. We'll journey through a selection of top herbs perfect for culinary, medicinal, or ornamental use. From the aromatic allure of basil to the robust resilience of rosemary, the soft whispers of chives to the bold notes of oregano. We'll discover the garnishing grace of parsley, the soothing wisdom of sage, and the timeless charm of thyme, not forgetting the zesty spirit of cilantro, the calming essence of lemon balm, the festive flair of dill, and the invigorating freshness of mint. So get ready to transform your garden and your kitchen with these wonderful herbs. First up is basil, a culinary favorite with an unmistakable aroma. This versatile herb flourishes in full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. Seedlings or transplants should be spaced 12 inches apart post-frost. To ensure a prolonged harvest, pinch back flowers and remember regular harvesting spurs growth. As the first fall frost approaches, remember to bring any potted basil plants indoors. Basil's fresh flavor is a delightful addition to pesto, sauces, sandwiches, and more. So if you're looking for an herb that adds a fresh flavor to your dishes, basil is a top choice. Next, let's explore rosemary, chives, and oregano. Three distinct herbs with unique flavors. Rosemary is a woody Mediterranean herb that thrives in pots. Whether you choose the upright or trailing varieties, remember that it needs at least 6 hours of sunlight and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant once established, and a springtime prune stimulates new growth. In the kitchen, rosemary is a perfect complement for roasted meats and vegetables. Moving on to chives, they're one of the easiest herbs to grow from seed or transplants. These green gems tolerate partial shade and thrive when planted close together in clusters. Harvesting is as simple as snipping leaves as needed. Oh, and don't discard those flowers, they're edible too. Chives lend a delicate onion-like flavor to baked potatoes, dips, salads, and more. Lastly, we have oregano. This herb loves full sun and slightly dry soil. Plant your transplants or divisions and prune lightly in spring to control growth. The Greek and Italian varieties are renowned for their flavor, making oregano a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. Pizza, pasta, you name it, oregano is there to add a robust punch. Remember, these herbs not only add flavor to your dishes but also give your garden a vibrant touch. So, whether you're an amateur cook wanting to spice up your meals or an aspiring gardener looking for an easy start, rosemary, chives, and oregano are fantastic additions to your garden and kitchen. Now, let's delve into parsley, sage, and thyme, three traditional herbs that are a must in any home garden. Starting with parsley, there are two types to choose from, curly and Italian flatleaf. This herb loves moist, nutrient-rich soil. Soak the seeds overnight before planting to speed up germination. To ensure a steady supply, make successive sowings throughout the growing season. When harvesting, cut the outer stems rather than individual leaves. Parsley is an excellent garnish and flavor enhancer, adding a fresh twist to your culinary creations. Next up is sage, a robust herb that thrives in hot, sunny spots. Begin with nursery starts for the best results. Once established, sage requires little watering and is relatively low maintenance. Prune your plants in spring to promote new growth. Sage, whether fresh or dried, pairs beautifully with poultry, pork, beans, and stuffing, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Finally, we have thyme, a Mediterranean staple that adores full sun and well-drained soil. Plant it in spring and watch it flourish. Once rooted, thyme can tolerate some drought. Encourage bushy growth by pinching the stems. This herb adds a delightful flavor to soups, stews, roasted meats, and vegetables. These herbs will not only enhance your cooking, but also bring a beautiful aroma to your garden. They're easy to grow, and with a little care, you'll have a thriving herb garden in no time. Moving on, let's talk about cilantro, lemon balm, and dill. Three versatile herbs with a range of uses. Starting with cilantro, a herb that's best grown from seed. To ensure a constant supply, make successive plantings because it tends to bolt rapidly in heat. You can start harvesting the leaves once the plants are several inches tall. Cilantro is a wonderful raw addition to your Mexican and Asian dishes, giving them a distinctive zesty kick. Next up, we have lemon balm. This hardy perennial is part of the mint family. It's quite easy to grow either from seed or nursery starts. It thrives in partial shade and moist soil. To stimulate leaf growth, make sure to pinch back the flowers. Lemon balm can be a delightful addition to your tea blends and marinades, providing a mild, lemony flavor. Finally, let's discuss dill. This herb is best sown directly in spring and grows quite rapidly once germinated. It makes a fantastic companion for plants like cabbages, cucumbers, and tomatoes. You can use the leaves fresh or dried, and they're particularly tasty with pickles and salmon. To harvest the seeds, wait until the flower heads mature. Remember, these herbs are not just for flavoring your dishes, they can also add a refreshing touch to your beverages and salads. Last but not least, let's talk about mint, a fast-growing herb that's a favorite in many cuisines. Mint is quite the sprinter in the garden, growing rapidly in partial sun and moist soil. But watch out, mint has a reputation for being a bit of a garden bully, spreading faster than you might want. A simple solution to keep this enthusiastic grower in check is to plant it in pots. This way, you can enjoy its vigorous growth without worrying about it invading other parts of your garden. Mint, especially peppermint and spearmint varieties, is a culinary darling. It adds a refreshing twist to drinks, salads, and desserts, making it a versatile herb to have on hand. So what will you grow? With these top herb picks, you're sure to find plenty of delicious and beautiful options perfect for your home garden. Get ready to spice up your cooking and garnish your plates with your very own fresh herbs. Happy gardening, and remember to subscribe. Hit that subscription button.